I'm Nicola. Today we're going to make some cartoon character bookmarks. First character I've got is a cat and she's called Dotty. So the easiest bookmark this will be. So all we're going to do is get the character. On the back we're going to stick a piece of card like that. I've got this sellotape here. So just like that. So we're going to stick it so the character can move. Rather than sticking it on so it's stuck, we want it to move like that. So when we put it in the book, I will show you with one of my books. Pop it in there. The character will then sit on the outside. So that's the first one. The next one is a little bit harder. Well, the next one, I've done a robot. There he is, put him a bit closer. It's quite a cute robot, isn't he? But for this one, I'm going to put him in, put his legs in, like that. But his arms are going to go on the outside, so he appears like that. Okay, I've made some simple bookmarks, which are just going to be where the bookmark sits, where the character sits on top of the bookmark. So I'll show you the bookmarks now, and I will give you some templates so you can cut them out. I will also give you some templates so you can colour them in, or you can maybe draw your own. So maybe have a look at my other workshop on drawing cartoons and try and create your own. This is my cat, Dotty. She wanted to come on video and say hello. So the first one is Scat the Cat. He's one of the main characters in my books, and Dotty Dot, which is his friend. You'll meet her later in the series. These first ones, all you need to do is print and cut them out. The next character is Captain Cuthbert. He's bossy, greedy, selfish and very mean. Next to Cuthbert is Bosun Bill. He's a bit sly and will do anything to impress Cuthbert. And then we have Mick Muck. Mick Muck doesn't like Cuthbert's nasty behaviour, but he isn't quite brave enough to stand up to him. Next to Mick Muck is Danny Dougal. He just does as he's told and tends to sleep most of the time. And last of all, we have Boris the dog. He's a bit grumpy. And the robot that I have just shown you. And here are some templates, which are the same as the one I showed you with Dotty. So the character sits on the outside. And last of all, these are the characters you can colour in yourself. And that is the end of the workshop. I would love to see your characters. Please send your pictures to my Facebook page via Messenger. You will find links to my author page and social media below. I have also added my email address in case you would like to get in touch. Thank you for watching. Here are some of my books where you can meet the characters. They are available on Amazon. You will find the links below.